Hello my creators, today we are going to make the pen stand. For that we require some plain papers and the printed paper. Let's start. First we have to take 8 by 8 inch square paper. Then we have to fold it from the center, and now again we have to fold it from the center. Now similarly we have to fold it on another side, and again we are going to fold it from the center. Make sure you can fold your paper properly. This many squares are required. Now again I am showing you the folding from the center till the center, like this. Now open the paper and the smallest square at the side, last square, you have to fold it 4 sides. You have to fold the 4 corners. Now fold it till the center. Now turn your paper and fold from the center and again till the center. Make sure you have to make it proper crease. Now you have to insert the paper like this. Now before inserting the fold, we can put the printed paper in the center. Like this you have to insert the printed paper. Now fold it properly. There one box is ready. Now like this you require the 6. Now I am showing you how to stick. You have to apply the Fevicol at the one side and you have to stick it on the like this. Now again you have to apply the Fevicol on the other color paper and stick on the next box. Once you complete these 3, like this you have to stick it properly, hold it for the few minutes, and you can still put the pins also. Make sure you can stick it properly. Now once you complete, you can remove the pin, and another 3 you have to join it like this, opposite color, like this. Apply the Fevicol. Now again you can put the pin like this. Press it from the all side as much you can. Just see the papers are not fold, like the both side you have to see. Make sure you can stick properly. Now take one rough cardboard, put your box on it and draw from the all side. Now once you complete, with the help of the scale you can make the straight line like this. Now once you complete it, you have to make one more line. Beside this line the difference will be a 1 centimeter, like this. Now you have to cut the outer line. Now cut the edges. Make sure your line should be a straight. कॉर्नर से ट्राइंगल कट कर देने हैं, like this. Once you complete your cutting, take the empty refill pen and trace inner line. Now once you complete your tracing, you have to start folding this like this. Now you have to insert the each side in each triangle, and you can complete your lower part also.